Imagine waking up one day to find out that your job has been taken over by a robot. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's happening right now. AI-powered robots are replacing human workers in industries across the globe. Factories, restaurants, customer service, and no job is safe. But the real question is, are we ready for this massive shift? Or is humanity sleepwalking into an AI-driven crisis? Let's find out. AI has reached a point where it can perform human tasks with unbelievable efficiency. From manufacturing plants to self-checkouts, and even creative fields like writing and music composition, automation is no longer just an assistant, it's becoming the replacement. But how did we get here, and where are we headed? The rise of AI-powered robots. For years, automation has been integrated into various industries to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize errors. But now, with advancements in machine learning, robotics, and artificial intelligence, robots are not just performing repetitive tasks, they are making decisions and learning from their environment. Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot is a prime example. It can handle complex tasks, navigate autonomously, and even interact with humans. Similarly, companies like Boston Dynamics are developing robots capable of working alongside humans in warehouses and factories, taking over roles traditionally filled by people. Jobs at risk. Is your career safe? So, which jobs are at the highest risk? Studies show that factory workers, truck drivers, cashiers, fast food employees, and even office workers are highly vulnerable to automation. Manufacturing warehouses, robots are already replacing human workers in assembly lines. Amazon, for example, uses over 750,000 robots in its warehouses to improve efficiency. Customer service AI chatbots and virtual assistants are handling customer inquiries better than humans. Fast food industry companies like McDonald's and Domino's are testing AI-powered kitchens and robotic food delivery services. Healthcare AI-powered robots are assisting in surgeries, patient care, and diagnostics, potentially reducing the need for human doctors and nurses. But it's not just blue-collar jobs at risk. I can now write articles, compose music, generate art, and even code software, fields once thought to be safe from automation. Elon Musk's warning: AI could be a bigger risk than we think. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned about the risks of AI, saying that we are summoning the demon by advancing AI without regulation. He believes that AI could not only replace jobs but could one day outperform humans in every intellectual field. Musk's AI and Tesla's humanoid robots are designed to work for humans, but what happens when they become self-sufficient? If AI starts making business and government decisions, will we lose control? The future: what can humans do to survive? While automation is inevitable, experts suggest that humans must adapt by focusing on creativity, emotional intelligence, and highly specialized skills that robots cannot easily replicate. Governments worldwide are discussing universal basic income and retraining programs to prepare for mass automation. But is that enough? Or will we see a jobless society controlled by AI-powered corporations? Final thoughts: are we ready for an AI-driven future? AI-powered robots are no longer just a concept, they are here. The question is, will we embrace this transformation, or will it create a world where humans struggle to find purpose? The clock is ticking, and the future of work is being rewritten right now. What do you think? Will I create more jobs or take them away forever? Let us know in the comments.